Welcome to our new home. Here it is. So much bigger than our other place. This is the living dining room. Nature. Then we have our kitchen, which we are completely redoing, but it's a walk-in kitchen. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I could cry. Sorry, I'm going really fast. I'll have to do maybe a slow down. Okay, and here's the second bedroom. A second bedroom with a closet. Everything is getting repainted. It's just so nice to have so many closets. Gotta get new curtains everywhere. And then guys, we have a second bathroom. And a shower. And a linen closet. So nice to have. So there's the front door. Here is the master bedroom. So we have some work to do in here. Obviously painting. Gotta fix those drawers somehow or take them out. We haven't decided. New curtains. Yeah, definitely new paint. Our closet, which we're getting new doors. Put on, oops, is the master bathroom, which we gotta get a new mirror. It's a brand new shower. So, gotta take that clock down. It's kind of nice to have that. I mean, it's not like the most beautiful, but maybe I could do a different handle. Yeah. And also we have our own actual laundry room. Oh, with shelves. They left shelves. I can't believe it. It's so much bigger, right? Like, we have a dining room area. And guys, we are redoing this entire place. It's actually gonna get painted while we're gone. And yeah, I'm really happy, I'm really excited. The movers are here, they're coming up, and